G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Designs by IFR here. I hope you all enjoyed the progress of our Cooler Master Case Mod World Series builds. And right now I'm here to tell you that voting is now open. So if you guys want a chance to win a prize, there is 10 lucky winners who are going to be winning $100 gift cards. And the best part about it is you can win multiple. You get multiple choices and chances of entering to win the prize. So stick around if you guys want to find out how to vote. You can vote for mine or you can vote for anyone else's. I'll show you guys a few of the projects that we have available to vote for. The Cooler Master Case Mod World Series was a very big success with many entries coming in and entering. People from all over the world, lots of custom PCs, lots of different ideas coming together for one awesome competition. Right now it's voting time and I'd like to invite you guys to sign up and vote. So to begin the voting process, all you have to do is go to www.cmws.global. That'll bring you to this tower and scratch page where it gives you some options to vote for. So let's have a look at a couple of the entries and then we'll take you through the other process to submit your votes. So here we go. Step one, browse through the below entries, find the mod that you want to vote for, and then go to the Vote Now page. So let's go ahead and scroll through. There is approximately 93 people in this competition. So let's go back up to the top and we'll scroll through a couple and you guys can check out some of the entries that we have in this series. Now there is two categories. There's a scratch build and there is a case mod. A lot of pretty cool entries, but here you can see my three entries right here: Designs by IFR Fortnite Tactical Shotgun, Designs by IFR Project Rise and BattleBot, and Designs by IFR Project Unity. Now you can vote for a number of entries, guys. You don't have to just vote for one PC. So if you did like my entries, I'm number 16, number 17, and number 18. Feel free to leave me a vote. Feel free to leave anyone else a vote that you like in this. There is some detailed builds, some scratch builds that look really nice. So feel free to jump on in. There was a desk PC right here. I've been following Jerlock's process. He's actually done quite a bit of work. So, you know, feel free to check out the work logs. You can actually look at the work logs and all of the progress that they have been doing. So I'm number 16, 17, and 18 if you did want to vote for them. Now, how do we vote? So here we have a link that says Vote Now. So I'm going to open it up in a new tab, but all you have to do is hit the Vote Now option. So this will bring up this page right here. Now, you don't need to make an account, log in or sign up or anything like that. You've got Case Mod World Series Vote Now. So here we go. We've got one of 10 $100 vouchers up for grabs just for voting. So if we come down here, here's the ways of entering. So the way that you vote for your mods is you click the +3 and then you go ahead and find the options that you want. So remember, I was number 16, 17, 18. You can vote for them and we could go ahead and we can find some other ones that we want to vote for, just a couple of random ones. If you guys want to vote for them, feel free to. There's lots of cool custom PCs in there. Once that's done, then you go down to the bottom and just hit continue, and then you just enter your name and email address. It's that easy. Now to get more entries, you have other options here. We've got +3 by retweeting @CoolerMaster on Twitter. Then we have follow AMD Gaming and all of these other options for you guys to unlock more entries. So feel free to do that. But this first entry is how you actually vote for the custom PC of your choice. So guys, I'm going to leave you with that. You guys have seen the videos that I've made of all of these PCs. You guys know the work that I've put into there. If you want to vote for me, feel free to. If you like other mods on there as well, I encourage you to vote for them if you do like them. And of course, thanks for your support, guys. We do appreciate it. We are trying to get more content out to you guys, so we do appreciate all of your comments down below. If you did want to leave a comment down below, like the video, consider hitting that subscribe button. Check out more videos on the channel. Well, not just like this one. We don't do many like this, but we do have lots of case mods on the channel, so feel free to check those out as well. As always, guys, appreciate your support, and we'll see you all in the next one.